As an African proverb wisely states, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Our destiny across the Atlantic is not a foregone conclusion. It is about what we choose to make of it. Let us work together to ensure the Atlantic no longer symbolizes a barrier, but rather a vibrant living connection, an unbreakable bridge between our people. By choosing to connect, build, and renew, we can create a powerful global Africa that takes its rightful place on the world stage. Let us seize this glorious opportunity to work together, to support each other, and to ensure a prosperous future for all our people. The time for action is now. I will end with mind-bending quotes from two Greek philosophers. The first, from Heraclitus, says, "No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it's not the same river and it's not the same man." This is the philosophy of constant flux. Once one steps into the river, the water touches, swirls away. As for the man, his awareness, thoughts, and feelings change carefully. Time can't be stopped or returned to. The world is constantly moving, constantly changing. Africa and its diaspora have to move with the times. The second, from Epictetus, says, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." It means as individuals, or in this context, as countries and regions, we are required to intentionally choose goals and values. In short, we should not just drift through life. If we choose a goal or have a vision, then we should follow that vision. In short, we need to pursue vigorously and expeditiously our union of global Africa with one voice on the world stage. May God bless our determined efforts to connect, build, and renew. Thank you very much.